Hey guys, you can see there is a problem that connecting, and if you just click on there, you're gonna see that they're obtaining IP address. So this is a frequent problem to about all of us who used to use extender router. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So first click on the IP settings, click on the static. Now just write down the IP address. So in my case it's 192.168.0.5. I fixed it manually, and for the router it's 192.168.0.1, the main router, and write down the other details as well. The others are not necessary, especially Oppo A1k doesn't have any save option, so you have to do it like the way that I did. Now you're done. Now just go back and it is connected. So previously I was in big trouble because I didn't knew that uh, there's no way to save this. So I was in a big trouble that how I can save this, and I really raged on phones for that. But now I discovered that although they don't have the save options, but they can save it automatically, and thus you can see my internet is connected and I can use whatever I want. So let me show you that my internet works pretty good with that. If you give wrong information there, you won't get any internet. So I'm gonna go to the google.com, and you know what, I've reached to google.com. So that's how you can do it. Thank you so much.